Okay, so let me add a transition. Yeah, I can add transitions again.
So what? You're on CapCut?
Video.
They didn't add a paywall to There's no way.
They added a paywall.
I ran out of my free uses at one point, so it was like, get CapCut Pro now. Fuck off.
Yo, okay.
Dude, corn dog.
What?
Like, literally right after you beat Glowy, that was like the attempt I beat Troll level.
Let's go!
You're at the beginning of the recording, you're like, yay dude, I beat it, yay.
I got like far, like I had deafened on for real, and like literally not even like half a second before I deafened, I heard Corndog go, I beat it, and then I deafened. I was like, did you just beat Glowy? And I'm like missing it right now.
Hi Val, you won't believe what happened.
You beat that girl.
Glowy?
I beat Explosion!
Yeah.
That's what happened.
What?
Yeah!
Ooh,
Oh my
damn.
god.
Wait, why are we all beating shit, yo?
Yo, Luke,
We are all beating
dude.
shit.
Luke, lock in.
My experience was not that bad. I'm very happy.
Literally just play random
Man,
easy
mine was
singing.
fucking terrible.
Beat, Luke, just
That
beat
was pretty good. It was
beat
alright.
persistence. Just
Low
beat
attempts
persistence.
too, that's awesome.